Where can I find the correct torque specifications for my lug nuts? If you are a teenager who is learning about car maintenance and handling roadside emergencies, knowing where to find the correct torque specifications for your lug nuts is essential. You might be wondering, where can I find this important information? Let's break it down. The first and best place to check is your vehicle owner's manual. This manual contains a section on wheel maintenance or tire care. In this section, you will find the recommended torque values for the lug nuts specific to your car's make and model. Another good spot to look is inside the driver's side, door, or in the glove box. Many cars have a sticker or label that lists the lug nut torque specifications along with tire pressure information. This can be a quick reference when you need it. If you have aftermarket wheels or tires, the manufacturer may provide torque specifications specific to their products. This is especially important if your wheels are made from different materials like aluminum or steel. Always check the manufacturer's guidelines to ensure you are using the correct values. You can also find detailed torque charts online. These charts list torque specifications based on the size and type of lug nuts and wheels. They include torque values measured in foot-pounds. For example, common torque ranges might be 90 to 120 foot-pounds for half-inch coned lug nuts on steel wheels. For larger lug nuts or flange types on steel or aluminum wheels, the range might be 150 to 210 foot-pounds. If you are still unsure or do not have access to manuals or charts, consider visiting a professional mechanic or tire shop. They can provide the correct torque specifications for your vehicle and answer any questions you may have. Now, why is this information so important? Using the correct torque ensures that the lug nuts are tight enough to keep the wheel securely attached. If they are too tight, you risk damaging the wheel or studs. Over-tightening can strip threads or break studs, while under-tightening can cause the wheel to come loose, which is dangerous. When using a lug wrench, always use a torque wrench to tighten lug nuts to the specified torque. A lug wrench alone does not measure torque, making it easy to under-tighten or over-tighten. Remember to tighten lug nuts in a crisscross or star pattern to evenly distribute pressure and properly seat the wheel. After changing a tire, it is a good idea to recheck the torque after driving about 10 to 50 miles. This is because lug nuts can loosen slightly as the wheel settles. By knowing where to find the correct torque specifications and how to apply them, you can handle roadside emergencies safely and maintain your car properly. This knowledge helps keep you and others safe on the road and protects your vehicle from damage.